Once you choose WordPress, the next question becomes, okay, but what do I actually use to design my website? Because here's the truth. There are hundreds of themes, dozens of page builders, and countless ways to put a website together. And they're built for very different kinds of users. Inside my Dream Website Workshop, I teach Elementor for one main reason. It gives you the best balance of design freedom, simplicity, power, and long-term scalability. And today I'm going to tell you exactly why. Number 1, Elementor gives you true design freedom. Elementor is the closest you can get to a fully custom-coded website without hiring a developer and without needing to code. You have superior control over other website builders to control spacing, typography, colors, layout, mobile responsiveness, animations, backgrounds, borders, advanced effects, and much more. You're not dragging blocks inside a rigid template. You're designing. Other platforms are often template first. Elementor is design first, and that changes everything. Number 2, it's pixel perfect without being complicated. Squarespace, beautiful but stiff. Showit, pretty but limited on the back end. Wix, messy code. Webflow, powerful but overwhelming for most entrepreneurs. Elementor sits in the sweet spot. You get real visual editing, exact placement control, drag and drop simplicity, clean structure, zero coding required. It's powerful but intuitive, which is rare. Number 3, it works for beginners and advanced designers. Most builders force you into one category. Either it's too simple and cookie cutter or too technical and intimidating. Elementor meets you in the middle. Beginners feel confident, designers feel free. That's why over 12 million websites run on Elementor. The global design community trusts it, and so do I. Number 4, it integrates seamlessly with everything. Because Elementor runs on WordPress, it works beautifully with the best SEO tools, email platforms, light e-commerce plugins, membership functionality, animations, global styles, marketing tools, and so much more. Everything connects. No hacks, no workarounds, no limitations. That matters long term. Number 5, it works perfectly with lightweight themes and template kits. Inside my course, I teach students to use the Hello theme built by the Elementor team and to start with a professionally designed premium template kit. Why start with a premium template? Because it gives you a strategic head start. You're not building from a blank screen. You're starting with structure. And because Elementor allows detailed visual editing, you're able to refine your brand colors, your typography, your spacing, your imagery, your messaging, your calls to action, and more. You keep the structure, you customize the identity. That combination makes the build process faster, clearer, and far less overwhelming. Number 6, it's fast, modern, and always improving. Elementor is backed by a massive development team. They release updates constantly, new widgets, performance updates, accessibility improvements, new integrations, responsive enhancements, and so much more. It evolves, it adapts, and grows with the internet. Number 7, it gives you long-term control and flexibility. Because Elementor runs on WordPress, you're not locked into a closed platform. You control your hosting, your tools, your integrations, your data, etc. So as your brand evolves, you can update your website, redesign sections, add new offers, expand your content, scale your systems without having to start over. That long-term control is what gives you real creative freedom. And that matters when your website is part of how you make money. The bottom line, if you want a website that is beautiful, strategic, SEO ready, mobile responsive, easy to update, conversion focused, scalable, and fun to design, Elementor is an obvious choice. It combines the freedom of custom design, the simplicity of drag and drop, and the power of WordPress. That's why I use it, that's why I teach it, and that's why I recommend it.